Hello everyone and welcome to the TPIF, the Perfect Impression Factory. So today we are going to review the LED Levitating Astronaut and Speaker. Unleash the wonders of the universe with this LED Levitating Astronaut and Speaker. So as you can see, I already unboxed the Astronaut LED Speaker. आप 256 मोड्स में से कोई भी लाइटनिंग मोड चूज कर सकते हैं और अपने मूड के हिसाब से उसे सेट कर सकते हैं. So you can change the color of the astronaut with the simple click of light bulb button. You can choose any solid color or dynamic dual color or else 3 color horse racing effect or 7 color marquee effect. It's up to you. और इतना ही नहीं, आप एप्लीकेशन को यूज करके बाकी के 16 मिलियन यूज को भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So as you can see, this astronaut figure is defying the forces of gravity. This display will definitely surprise you and your guests as well, as if a piece of cosmos has come to your life in your home. Immerse yourself in a crystal clear audio with the built-in Bluetooth speaker. It has 3 watts of power. It delivers rich sound quality which convert your boring place into celestial concert hall. It also has wireless charging pad over here. So you just have to put your phone and don't worry about draining your battery. This speaker is not just a visual delight, but also addition to your daily routine. You can use it as your sleep light, as sunrise wake up light, or as your bedside light. It also serves as an ambient light to enhance your surroundings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Order this speaker right now.